Good morning everyone and welcome to Sharif Sarki SST class. Today I have brought a topic for you to discuss in this video is longitudes. Yesterday's videos we have prepared a video about latitudes and we have cleared the values and the different features of latitudes. Today we are going to study about the longitudes. In this video, we are going to study that what is a longitude and what are the utilities of longitudes. Now let's start, but I request you before starting this video to like, to subscribe and to share this video as much as you can. Now let's come to the main point. Today we are going to study about the longitudes. For this purpose, I have made a diagram that will help us to learn about the longitudes. As we know that the latitude which divides the earth into almost two equal parts is called equator, and the value of equator is 0 degree. This is my first thing that I just want to discuss with you, that equator divides the earth into two equal parts with a value of 0 degree. The upper part is known as the northern hemisphere and the lower part is known as the southern hemisphere. Its value is 0 degree. Now you come to the main point. Another point is that from 0 degree to North Pole there are total 90 parallel of latitudes. How many? 90 degree north plus 90 degree south. North 90 parallel of latitudes northern hemisphere के और 90 parallel of latitudes from southern hemisphere. So there are total 180 latitudes. But this 0 degree latitude will also be included here. One more. Total number of latitudes are 181. Keep in your mind that there are total 181 latitudes. From 1 to 90 in North Pole, from 1 to 90 in South Pole. The total 180, and the equators, the last one, 0 degree. So there are total 181 latitudes. Now come to another point. This is North Pole, this is South Pole. The lines, the imaginary lines, which starts from North Pole and moves to South Pole, joining the poles. The lines which join the two poles, the imaginary lines that join the North Pole to South Pole, are called longitudes. So the definition of longitude is the imaginary lines on the globe which connects, which joins the North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes. Here we compare the longitude to the latitude, that latitudes were circular lines. They were the circles, as equator is a circle. Then other latitudes are also circular in form, while the longitudes are semicircular lines. Semicircular imaginary lines. Two longitudes are required to make a circle. For example, look at this diagram. It is one from North Pole to South Pole. This is one longitude. So this is semicircle. Another longitude is required from this side to be connected to North Pole to South Pole. So it is two parts. It has two parts, 1 and 2. The two longitudes are joining together, then making a circle. By nature, latitude are circulars according to their shape, but longitudes are not circular, they are semicircular. We have to join two longitudes to make a circle. Okay, now the total number of the longitudes. This line is coming from North Pole to South Pole, in between this one. I will dot it. Look at this line. This line is dividing the earth again into two parts, the western, the eastern. the western hemisphere, western zone, and the eastern hemisphere, eastern zone. So this line is called prime meridian. The prime meridian is a line of 0 degree which divides the Earth into almost two equal parts, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Is that clear? This is the value of this line is 0 degree. Now we come to the next point, that from 0 degree to west there are total 180 longitudes. Again, in eastern hemisphere there are 180 longitudes. 180 is equal to 360 plus 1. Is it equal plus 1? One of the most important thing to be learned is that 0 degree to 180 and 280, so there are total 360, and this one, as we have done in the matter of longitudes, so they must be 361, but it is not so. ऐसा है नहीं. ये जो आपका नॉर्थ पोल से साउथ पोल जो लाइन गया है ये 0 डिग्री है, और इधर 180 और इधर 180, ये होगा 360 और ये 361. ऐसा नहीं है. असल में यहाँ थोड़ा सा ये समझना है कि जो गंगाधर है वही शक्तिमान है, और जो शक्तिमान है वही गंगाधर है. तो अगर आप लोगों ने ये फंडा समझ लिया कि शक्तिमान ही गंगाधर है और गंगाधर ही शक्तिमान है, तो आपको ये पॉइंट भी समझ आएगा. लुक, prime meridian's value is 0 degree and prime meridian is 360 degree. ये 0 डिग्री भी प्राइम मेरिडियन है और 360 भी यही है. चाहे ये कह लीजिए कि प्राइम मेरिडियन 0 डिग्री है, चाहे ये कह लीजिए कि 360 ही प्राइम मेरिडियन है. सो देयर आर टोटल 360 longitudes. Got it? Now you see another thing. This point and this point. जो डिस्टेंस है लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच में वो पोल्स पर कम है, और जो इक्वेटर पर यहां पहुंचे हैं यहां पर ये ज्यादा है. या आपको दिखा हो पोल्स पर लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच की जो दूरी है वो कम है और इक्वेटर पर वो दूरी ज्यादा है. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आई विल रब इट एंड आई विल कम टू अनदर